Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ivo. You know this feeling when you finally find something what you love to use every day? Okay, I finally get my Keychron Q2 HE from a Kickstarter. I waited for this 3 months and today I want just to share with you my personal opinion. This review is not sponsored or anything like that. I just really want to show you this keyboard because I think this is a really piece of art. Okay, let's start with the basic stuff, right? Let's do the overall overview of this keyboards from the size and keycaps and all of that. Alright, so the Keychron Q2 HE, we have it 75% layout, and usually it's a perfect for gamers or for anybody who want just to, you know, save a little bit space on your desk. And we have two versions of this keyboard, right? We have a special edition. This one really like a showpiece with natural rosewood accents. And you have again two options with a light wood for the white version and a dark wood for the black version, right? And you know, you will see it, it just looks gorgeous on a desktop. Plus, for the special edition, we have this also profile keycaps and they really feel fantastic. Second option, we have a standard version, and this is if you are more into the wooden style. Standard comes with an aluminum frame and shines through black cherry profile keycaps, so you have a kind of several options for different styles of your home office. If you're more into the gaming, most probably you will like a standard edition. If you're more into the office style, obviously you will choose a special edition. Now let's talk about how this keyboard can be connected to your devices, because you know, nowadays we need to have this flexibility, right? So what do we have here? 2.4 GHz wireless mode. This mode is obviously made for gaming because it's a 1000 Hz pooling rate, and I tested and it's no lags, no issues, and it's really fast keyboard. And second option is Bluetooth 5.2. If you need to juggling between devices, this part is obviously awesome because you can connect this like up to 3 different devices. For example, in my case, I need to connect this keyboard to MacBook for YouTube work. I need to connect this to my Windows laptop for office work. I need to connect this to my gaming PC for gaming, and I need to connect this to my iPad for social media management, right? And I can do this with ease because we have this side switches. I can switch between iOS or Windows. I can switch between wireless, wired, Bluetooth, all good. But you know what is the real magic of any keyboards, right? Let's dive into the keycaps and switches. So again, this keyboard is built based on double shot PBT keycaps, and you know that PBT material is solid and durable, and it will be no issues with oil, and it will be always like a new keyboard feel. I've got my special edition with non-shine through keycaps, and they looks really clean. As the switches, we have Gateron double rail magnetic switches. They're linear, they're like 40 gram on the start, 60 gram on the end force, and they're perfectly smooth, and with all this magnetical driven Hall effects technology. Obviously they're hot swappable from one side. This is good stuff, but from other, this keyboard is limited only to them, and I've checked, you can purchase them only from Keychron site. You have 3 different options, but anyway, it's, as for me, little bit limiting, like, you know, customization options somewhat. And Keychron even upgraded the stabilizers on a bigger keys like a spacebar, so we don't have any wobble, and it really feels solid and steady. And you will hear the sound soon. You will understand what I'm talking about. So let's check the coolest part of this keyboard, QMK driver. So guys, let's be fair, if you are looking for all these latest gaming features, this keyboard is built for it. Let's check one by one. So first of all, you can remap all keys, you can set up all macros, you can adjust actuation point, whatever you want. Keychron Launcher web-based application makes all of this pretty easy, and this is web-based. Okay, let's talk about adjustable actuation point. You can go from as low as 0.2 to as high as 3.8. It's depending on how you want each keys to respond. Obviously, this is super helpful for fast reactions when you are gaming, or even if you want to speed up your typing as well. Next feature is dynamic rapid trigger. It's a kind of replacement for actuation adjustment point. You can use or one or another, and dynamic rapid trigger lets you control when each key activates based on how deep you press, and it's reset as soon as you lift it up. It's like instance response mode. Again, great for fast games. Also, they even have last keystroke prioritization for gaming, meaning the last key you press take priority, making movements smoother, and dynamic keystrokes allow multiple action per key depending on a press depth. Alright, I know this already sounding like a lot, but this is even more into this keyboard. Structure of this keyboard is really perfect. The sound and feel, you will hear the sound soon, of this keyboard are honestly the next level. And there is why. We have a lot of layers of foam and silicone inside. Keychron went all out with EVA and EPDM foam and silicone pad, and it really creates this choky, bumped sound. And obviously it's both. It's a soft from one side, but it's satisfying from the other side. RGB. If you're into backlighting, this keyboard has north-facing LEDs with over 22 different modes. And obviously you can adjust color, brightness, effects, everything with a web-based application or hotkeys on a keyboard. And with aluminum case, it feels like a piece of art on your desktop. But how does this keyboard sound? Okay guys, you heard the sound, and that really resembled a premium custom mechanical keyboard, isn't it? And I remember it was not possible 6 months ago with the keyboards with magnetic switches. So, is the Key2HE worth it? So guys, this keyboard, this Key2HE, it's, seriously blow me away. For only 140 bucks, you get all of this in a premium case. So let's go, like, great build quality, right? It's sturdy, it's premium, and it feels really much more expensive than it is. Perfect sound and feel. You heard the sound, and you cannot feel this through your monitor, but it's very satisfying to type on this keyboard and to game as well. And all these settings, so you can do everything through the driver. You can set up all needed function, and you don't need to download any suspicious software and install it only on your Windows PC and all of that. You have everything from the web, and you have all latest gaming features on it. It was my takeaway from this keyboard, this Key2HE from Keychron. I'm glad that I waited and I participated in this Kickstarter event. It for sure worth it. And if you enjoy this review, please do not forget to smash a like button and subscribe for more. Thank you for being with me today, and I will see you next time.